Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which of the following statements about your company's assembly operations for cameras and drones is true? The correct answer of the question is shifting to robot assisted assembly result in added annual maintenance cost per workstation because robots require monthly maintenance and also from time to time breakdown and have to repair. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.